Hey everybody, me again, Chance for Practice Paracord. Today's gonna be a little fun video, y'all. We're just having fun. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test out my little staff sling, because I did one little video. Let's do another one, but we're gonna go straight wilding out with it, right? I'll show y'all this right here, y'all. A fine piece of art. Okay. This thing right here is made from one of my partners up in Michigan, y'all. Up in Michigan. His name is Joseph Davis. He's one of the first people that really shared the slinging enthusiasm, and this is what he got for me. So, Joseph, thank you. This thing is still beautiful. I know you're mad at me because I told you I was gonna get a sheath for it, and I still ain't got it. But hey, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna chop down that little tree right there. Which I was just driving on. I'm like, all right, let's just randomly pick one, and that's the one I picked. I'm gonna show you the video right now. That's it. That's the one, y'all. That's beauty. All right, so now we're gonna get to it, and we're gonna chop it down. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna use that as a sling because I still got golf balls. And we're gonna see how far the staff sling can sling golf balls.
Oh, that was easy. Easy. Oh my goodness, that's nice. That's nice right there. Don't go too high. That's a little angle on it. All right.
So, thinking if I'm gonna sling staff. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna tie it right here. Let's see what we're gonna look like. Should be done with that. I like it. All right, y'all. Let's go do us a little staff slinging. Yeah. Blah! All right, y'all. We done made it to the spot. All right. We're gonna see how far that is all the way across over there, y'all. I'm gonna do this early, so we'll just get that out the way. $133 meters, which whatever the calculation is, this is it right here. Bam! That's what 133 meters is in feet for us Americans, So what I'm gonna do real quick is, since I got this stick that we're gonna use with the staff sling, the one thing I don't want it to do is slip off every time I throw. So I'm gonna try to make an indention, to try to keep it locked in. So that's what I'm about to do right now. With my knife from Joseph from Michigan. I try to do it nice and neat for y'all, but sometimes when you want something done, you just gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? You can't half-ass it. Just like when you sling it. Sometimes when you're trying to throw it slow and live, but you gotta throw it. Just get it done,
All right. That's it, y'all. That's basically what you want, That hit.
All right, y'all, here we go. Now see what I got? It ain't perfect. All right, it ain't perfect whatsoever. But, whenever you want to make a stick like this, what you do is you try to hit it straight and then cut it. Or you can try to cut it at an angle, keep doing the angle thing. And then when you got a lot of it like cut ready to go, you do one hit across, so it's like a stoppage point. All right, and you tie your sling. Let me see, I'm gonna put this in my truck. All right, you take your sling and then you strap it right under that little notch that you just made. You know what I'm saying? Once you strap it right there, it's not gonna slide off. All right, see if y'all can see that. See, right under that notch, y'all. Right under that notch. First thing you do, you make sure the smile's at the bottom. All right. I mean, it's just normal. It's like you're getting it straight. You're getting it like where it's supposed to be. And you can take this little bit, you know, and you hold it right there, but you hold a little tension. And that tension is what lets it go, you know. And see, once you got like a little short stick, you know, that's what does the thing. You hold it tight, you put your rock right here, and it goes. All right. All right, so let's do it, y'all. We got some golf balls. We know they fly super far compared to anything else. Let's see what I could do with it with a staff. Okay, I'm gonna spin it this time, y'all. Everything goes low to the left. I hold it too long, so I gotta let it go early. Like, it feels weird, but you gotta let it go real early. Hey, that went way out there. Y'all ain't see it, but it went, I think it went all the way across. It went all the way across, y'all. Ah, look at that. That's pretty far, y'all. That's a nice little distance. All right, and you can see as I gradually play with it, you kind of feel where you got to throw it. You know what I mean? You kind of feel, even though it don't feel natural, you know, once you do it right and it goes forward, it's like, okay, that's how I got to do this. You know what I mean? Even though it feels weird. Look at that. All right, y'all. So now we know, you know, this is staff sling that you can spin it around and then throw it. So let's go like normal staff sling mode. You know what I mean? Let's go like if you're a normal staff slinger, because I know there's a lot of staff slingers out there, right? Let's just throw like a regular sling. And the only difference is you got to let this go. You don't just throw it what the stick wants to do. You get to control it a little bit. You know, that's why I think staff slingers should try this model. I don't know if it's the exact model, but once again, Albion Slinger came up with it, and I just liked it, so I just started playing with it and see what happens. And this is way better than a regular sling. So let's throw it normally, y'all. Look at that. That's pretty dang on far, y'all. That's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Just for like, even if, you know, like, if you're crippled a little bit, or if it's like you're weak, like you're older, you know what I'm saying? You can't do all that crazy stuff. Your joints are a little rough. You know, a staff sling's what you need. And I think this is the type that you can control it when you let it go. It's not just, this is what this thing does. And when you throw it, you know, a heavier rock goes this way, a lighter rock goes that way. You know, you want to control it more. And that's what I think the Smiling Staff Sling is superior. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my 80-inch Smiling Slim Sling, pull out a golf ball, and do a throw without even a spin. Oh, you can't see it. All right. Throw with no spin, right? Straight over, y'all. Straight over. And I'm just going to throw this one with a spin just straight. All right, y'all, I'm getting to the bottom of the storage, so it's looking bad. So I'm just gonna throw one spin, and I'm gonna try to hit it right before the land over there, y'all. Oh, right before, that was so perfect. But yeah, all right, if you're a staff slinger, yeah, I understand. You could really throw stuff really fast without exerting much energy. But if you can exert the energy, it's a regular sling is way better. David killed Goliath with a regular sling, not a staff sling, and I'll stand on it. Hope you like what you've seen today. If you did, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, tell me that notification bell. Bang!
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, paracord and legend. I got all the tips, check these, hey. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go. Hey, only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, backing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out Practical Paracord. Hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Hey.